Hello everyone, our project title is Pokemon Analysis using Tableau. Guide is Professor Dattatreya Modani. Pokemon Go game is launched in 2016 by Niantic. It is augmented reality and location based game. It launched for iOS and Android platform. The raw attributes that are used for analysis: name, type 1, all abilities. This is derived attribute, hit point, attack, defense, special attack, special defense, speed, generation, legendary. Problem statement: which type of Pokemon are easy to capture? Determine the relationship between happiness. Steps required to hatch particular Pokemon from eggs. Find the Pokemon with highest strength. Determine the best type of Pokemon against other type to win the battle. Find the legendary Pokemon added in each generation. This is our data source. We take it from Kaggle. It contains 801 rows and 41 columns. This is first sheet. In this we show capture rate and type 1 relation using horizontal bar chart. We also done color coding for each type of Pokemon. This chart conclude that poison, normal, bug and fairy type Pokemon are easy to capture rather than dragon, steel, rock and fire type Pokemon not easy to capture. In this we find the best Pokemon in each type considering all 4 attributes: HP, speed, defense, attack. For this we make our own attribute. In this we take summation of attack, defense, speed, HP and then sort the name attribute using all abilities attribute in descending order. So this chart give us topmost Pokemon considering all this field in each type. If we select bug type, these are the list of Pokemon in descending order, and also use color coding for each type of Pokemon. In this chart, using horizontal bar chart, we find the type of Pokemon is best against which type of Pokemon. So if we select fighting type or fire type Pokemon, it shows fire type Pokemon are good against water type, rock type, ground type, flying type, but fire type have less result against grass type, steel type and bug type Pokemon. This is scatter chart which represent basic happiness and base egg steps relation. It tells us how much time required to hatch or steps required to hatch from eggs and happiness of the Pokemon relationship. In these the Pokemon comes under this field require less steps to hatch from eggs and they are more happy. On the other hand, dragon type and dark type and steel type require more steps, that is greater than 8k steps to hatch from eggs, and they are not happy or their happiness is less than 50%. In this we find which type of Pokemon is best offensive type. So this chart gives us result that dragon type and fire type and steel type are best offensive type Pokemon. In this chart, using generation and legendary Pokemon, we show how much Pokemon added in each generation. Also, to determine which type of Pokemon are added in each generation, we use color coding. So in first generation there are 6 Pokemon are added, where 2 are psychic type, 1 is ice type, 1 is fire type, 1 is fairy type and 1 is bug type. So blue color is for bug type. As we see, in every generation one bug type legendary Pokemon is added. In this horizontal bar chart, we find the topmost Pokemon among all Pokemon having highest strength. Like if we select attack type, these are the Pokemon which having base attack, that is 185, 181, 180, and also we use color coding to determine type of the Pokemon. In this tree map, we get result how many legendary Pokemon in each type. In psychic type there are 17 Pokemon. In electric type there are 5 Pokemon. In grass type there are 4 Pokemon. This is the percentage pie chart of all Pokemon. There are 14.23 water type Pokemon, 9.74 grass type, 13.11 normal type Pokemon, 3.37 dragon type Pokemon, and this is total number of Pokemon. This is our bar chart dashboard. Here we represent all our chart. First two chart show strong relationship, as normal type Pokemon have greater capture rate, so the user have more number of normal type Pokemon. Again, poison type having greater capture rate, but user have moderate amount of poison type Pokemon. It again depend on the user whether he or she want that Pokemon or not. Thank you.